Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread fast. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and mash ripe bananas while gathering ingredients. Use brown sugar, melted butter, and an egg for quick mixing. Combine dry ingredients separately and fold wet into dry gently to avoid overmixing. Consider adding chopped nuts or chocolate chips for texture. Pour batter into a loaf pan and bake until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. Gather 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 egg, 1/2 cups flour, 1 tsp baking soda, and pinch of salt. For healthier swaps, use applesauce for half the butter or whole wheat flour for half the white flour. Measure precisely and let bananas be very ripe for natural sweetness. Adding 1 tsp vanilla enhances flavor, and a splash of yogurt keeps the loaf moist. Use 3 speed techniques. Microwave batter for a mug loaf, make mini loaves for faster baking, or use convection to reduce time. For a mug loaf, mix 1 mashed banana, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, and a beaten egg, then microwave 90-120 seconds. For mini loaves, divide batter into small pans and bake 20-25 minutes. Check doneness with a toothpick for moist, tender crumb. Use room temperature ingredients for best results and quick mixing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.